Let's step into Dad's Bluegrass Campground in Franklin, Kentucky. We're excited to share with you all we know about this convenient campground off I-65 between Bowling Green and Nashville. Dad's Bluegrass Campground is a fantastic destination for anyone looking for a relaxed and enjoyable camping experience. With its welcoming atmosphere, range of amenities and activities, and convenient location, it's no wonder that this campground is a favorite among visitors to Franklin, Kentucky. Let's first start with the pricing, and later we will discuss what you can find at your campsite. Pricing for Dad's is very reasonable and is posted on their website. We made our reservation by phone and the process was easy. We'll include the website link in our description. There are two rates for RV sites. 30 amp service is just a little cheaper than 50 amp service at approximately $60. They accept the Good Sam card, which reduces the cost. Due to the price, we paid cash to save them the credit card processing fee. 10 sites are available for $30 per night, and other ways to stay are listed on their website, which we will put in our description. Now let's talk about the unique location, and later we will discuss campground activities. You'll be surprised by the location of this campground. Basically, it's located right behind a truck stop. We were happy to fill up our diesel tanks when we got off I-65 at exit 6. There is a sign for Dad's at the entrance to the truck stop at the drive on the west side of the truck stop. Dad's Bluegrass is 45 minutes north of Nashville and just a half hour south of Bowling Green. It's conveniently located right off the highway and an easy trip to either city. If you are heading south for Florida or the Gulf of Mexico, this is a great place to get some rest and relaxation before continuing south. But if you look for RV parks closer to Nashville, you will pay a premium. Being close to Music City has its advantages, but it does come at a cost. You'll also spend more time in traffic off the highway with your RV, as other campgrounds aren't as close to the exit like Dad's Bluegrass. Now that you know the price and location, let's discuss what you can discover at your site, and later we will share local attractions. All sites are full hookup with water, sewer, and electric. Each site has a gravel pad and level sites are available. Pull-through and back-in sites are offered, with most sites being pull-through. The picnic tables are wood and in good condition. Most sites have a decent amount of lawn too. The hookups are in a convenient location for easy setup and takedown of your RV. Dad's Bluegrass has a lot of activities for your brood to enjoy. We spent a lot of time fishing. For a small amount of water, there are some big fish here. The pond is tucked away in the northwest corner of the campground. We also played on the basketball court and the playground. If you need to watch your brood and stay out of the sun, the gazebo is a great place to sit and pass the time. The pool is open in the summer months, and there are horseshoe pits set up for guests as well. But if instead you are looking for a good party, live music is hosted at Dad's Bluegrass Campground. Check their Facebook page for upcoming performances. Read our description while you watch. We will have a link there for you. Every good campground review needs a dad joke. What's a tree's favorite drink? Of course, it has to be root beer. Dad joke books are great gifts. We have two we recommend, and we'll put the links in our description. Check them out. Okay, back to Dad's Bluegrass Campground with amenities. When you need to get stuff done, Dad's Bluegrass has you covered. On site, they have clean bathrooms and showers. They also have self-service laundry facilities and a propane refill station if you need to top off. If you need a little something, they also have a campground store on site with typical supplies and snacks. Wi-Fi service is also available. But if you need something more, in Franklin you will find Walmart, Dollar General, home improvement, and auto parts stores. There are many restaurants too. Hit the like button if you are getting what you need out of this video. If not, ask questions in the comments. One of the highlights of Dad's Bluegrass Campground is its welcoming atmosphere. The staff and other campers are friendly and hospitable, and there are plenty of opportunities to socialize and make new friends. The campground hosts regular events and activities such as live music performances and potluck dinners that are open to all campers. For those who want to get out and explore the local area, Dad's Bluegrass Campground is ideally situated just a short drive from a range of attractions. Perhaps the most unique feature of Dad's Bluegrass Campground is its proximity to the Kentucky Downs racetrack. The campground is located just 6 miles from the European-style, kidney-shaped turf thoroughbred racetrack and casino. It's truly a one-of-a-kind attraction and event center. We'll put a link in our description for this unique experience. But if you're looking for something else, the National Corvette Museum is under 30 minutes north in Bowling Green, Kentucky. If you would rather enjoy more live music, Nashville is less than an hour away. Here you can find the Grand Ole Opry, the Country Music Hall of Fame, distilleries and breweries, and downtown Nashville for the best new country music acts in the nation. Make sure to watch this video picked for you next.